Spicy Nigerian pancake. 1½ cup of all-purpose flour. Teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, pinch of nutmeg. Whisk till they are well combined. Tablespoon of melted butter. 2 small eggs. Add milk little by little till you achieve semi-liquid consistency. A teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste. Add Scotch bonnet pepper according to your taste. Red, yellow, green peppers and onions. Grease the pan with oil or butter. Scoop in the pancake mix and allow to cook on low heat. Gently flip to the other side and allow to cook. Repeat the same process till you are done. Enjoy with scrambled eggs with cup of tea or coffee.